after love. No, it's not Cher. Well, alright, it is Cher, but this is that great cover that DMA'S did a few years ago. Now, I've loosely based it on that. A few tweaks to try and make it a little more simple. Now, you want to be looking around this E chord here, but it's like this hooked bar chord. No matter how hard I try. So you're on the 7th fret and then the 9th fret, but make sure you hook that round. You get this lovely E chord, okay? Now then we're going to go to this on the 4th fret. We're going to hit a G sharp minor 7. You keep pushing me aside. And then we go to A. Again, you want to be looking for these hooked versions because it sounds so dreamy. And then you're going to go to here, 2 frets along, to your B chord. Okay, so we'd have, no matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside, I can't break through, talking to you. So, that's going to be your first part. It goes again, sad that you're leaving, down to believing, and then we're going to run up to the chorus. After all said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, now then we hit the chorus. Do you believe in life after love? And then we go to this. Now your loose kind of chord there, you'd have E to B to F sharp minor and to A, but again to make it a little bit more of a dreamier sound, your F sharp minor add 11 sounds fancier than it is. It's not actually barring. String G, fret 2, and then these two here, and then to A sus 2. So again, if we had that rhythm, do you believe in life after love? And for me, you want to be aiming for these kind of dreamy kind of sounds. Even though, you know, on camera these might look a little bit awkward, I'm not actually barring at all. It's like I'm holding some open chords, but I'm just further up the neck, okay? E to B, F sharp minor, and then to A sus 2. And then later on, you throw in this C sharp minor, and then this A. But what you want to try and do, there's this lovely move where you can take this first finger away, and then he brings in that I don't need you anymore. Slide to B, need you anymore. He sings it again, and it really builds up that tension. It's such a lovely, lovely sound. And again, I quite like it, these kind of wild card covers. You know, you would never think that this Australian indie band would be covering this 90s pop song by Cher. But it's kind of cool that the way they do it, they completely make it their own. And it just sounds so, so cool. And guaranteed, no matter what kind of music style you like, if you're an indie kid, you play this song in this style, it'd still go down the storm because everybody knows it. So give that a go. A little bit different, but I had a couple of requests on my members area over on Patreon. Just nearly at 500 members now, so if you want to make it 501, that'd be good. Take a free trial and let me know on the coaching. I'm doing a lot more WhatsApp online coaching now, so if you want to know the details, hit WhatsApp and I'll send you some free information and even a video consultation on me. So let me know if you fancy that, and please, if you're still watching this, please subscribe to my YouTube. Have fun with this great version. Enjoy.